So let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro and JPY. So first thing first, those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments. And also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update we'll be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with the trend right here on our EURJPY. You can clearly see that our EURJPY, we are in an uptrend. This is our uptrend on EURJPY. EURJPY is in an uptrend move. We are very much trending to the upside, right? Now, if you take a look at this moment, markets was came to have this level. Then we had a rejection at this level multiple times. This was one of the reasons why we highlighted this level, because we had a rejection at this one multiple times. When markets came to this level multiple times, it rejected from it multiple times before market was able to bounce up, right? Now market has now come back to test the same level. And guess what market will do right here? We should be expecting a rejection that will make market to push on. So this is to tell you that a bullish move that we should be expecting on our EURJPY. The EURJPY should reject from the support level and push up. So if you are not yet in the buy on your EURJPY, look to going for the buy. But if you are in the buy already, you can still hold your buy position, because if you take a look at this, EURJPY needs to reject from this support level and push up. So we should be expecting a rejection from this support level that will push up, thereby giving us a bullish move. Now let's go down to the forward time frame right here, guys. This is it right here. This is a multiple rejection zone. Market has rejected from these zones multiple times before market is now. So we would expect market to push up and come back to this resistance level. So with that movement, we should be expecting to give us about 113 pips. So we should be expecting about 113 pips, right, bullish on our EURJPY. Now, if there will be any changes to this position, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.